Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia's vibrant capital, is one of our favorite places in Southeast Asia. For our trip there, we booked 4 nights at the Holiday Inn Express Kuala Lumpur City Centre because of its location and affordability. Situated on Jalan Alor, the Holiday Inn Express KLCC is located within the city's Golden Triangle, the heart of the city. We like that it's located so close to iconic landmarks such as the Petronas Twin Towers and KL Tower. There's also many shopping and dining options with premier malls like Pavilion Kuala Lumpur and Suraya KLCC just a stone's throw away. Both have large food courts with dozens of cuisines to choose from, or you can head over to the iconic nighttime food market on Jalan Alor to get some authentic local fare. It's also a short walk from the nightlife scene at Changgit Street in the Bukit Bintang neighborhood. All of these spots are a short walk from the hotel, and much of it can be done in a covered, air-conditioned walkway. I've created a video on this walkway, and there's a link to it in the description. The hotel offers 383 rooms, all of which come with the necessary amenities you need, including a 40-inch LED TV, free Wi-Fi, a desk, and a mini refrigerator. The rooms are fairly spacious, and the bathroom is nice, although it has no major frills, which was fine for us. One of the most important hotel amenities to us was the self-service laundry facilities. The hotel has 3 big washers and dryers that all worked well, along with ironing and folding boards. The coins for the machines, which you'll get at the front desk, were a bit pricier than we were expecting, but the convenience was worth it. If you like to work out, you can utilize a 24-hour fitness center located on the 2nd floor. The facility features treadmills, free weights, and elliptical machines, allowing you to maintain your workout routines during your stay. It was a little small by my standards, but it never seemed too busy, so you could access the equipment easily. There was no swimming pool, which would have been nice with the hot weather, but is understandable since this hotel largely targets business travelers. Our stay included a complimentary express start breakfast, which is served daily from 6:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. in the Great Room, a common area where the reception desk is located. The breakfast spread included a variety of local and international options, as well as some local coffee. It was fine and met our needs, but did not match the high quality of food that we experienced throughout Kuala Lumpur. As I mentioned, there are plenty of excellent dining choices nearby, including the renowned local chain Zeus Coffee located on the property. Our 2 favorite things about this hotel are its location and value. The hotel's location near the major attractions and the ability to walk to many of them in a covered and air-conditioned walkway is a huge plus. The hotel does seem a bit outdated and could use some cosmetic upgrades, but it was clean and well maintained. The staff were friendly, but they seemed a bit short-handed as we had to wait for about 20 minutes to get checked in. As I mentioned, the value of the hotel was a big draw for us. We used our IHG points, which we bought during a 100% bonus promotion through our IHG Credit Card, so the 4-night stay was only 24,000 points at a cost of just $120 USD with the promotion. If you'd like to check out the IHG Credit Card that includes a sign-up bonus, see the link in our description. The regular room rates are very reasonable at under $50 USD a night. Overall, we feel this hotel is a good choice for business and budget travelers. With its proximity to many of the KLCC office buildings and its comfortable functional rooms, it makes good sense for business travelers. It's also a strong option for budget-focused travelers looking for an affordable stay without being far from the sites. Whether you're exploring the city's cultural landmarks, indulging in its culinary delights, or attending business meetings, this hotel offers a solid base for your Kuala Lumpur adventures.